Here we have the Sense. So this is an energy monitor, and it actually gets installed in your electrical box. So if you're not comfortable with that, you might want to hire an electrician to do this, but it's really easy to install. You just add an additional breaker that the two wires are going to go in there. Then this device itself is going to actually sit in the box. It's got a little wireless antenna that sticks out that's going to communicate via Wi-Fi to your modem, and then through there you'll be able to track everything in real time. And so with this, I can see what devices are on in my house, how much energy that they're using. It's been really helpful for like identifying vampire devices, so like TVs and some receivers. Definitely computers. If you're leaving your computer on, it's actually taking up quite a bit of juice than if you're not using it. So that was good to know. We've got 2 electric vehicles in our household, so it's been nice to be able to track that and like look at when we're using it. And then we have a hot tub as well, and that's been energy. Just takes up so much energy, and so huge hog. It's been giving us a lot of great insights. So we can be a little bit more mindful, and then we could be alerted if there's an issue. So this is a great product. I definitely recommend it.
If you want to upgrade your home and save energy, click the Amazon link in the description to get yours now.